Such a powerful and evocative sound, the roar of a market in full cry from the trading pit. And you don't have to be a trader to arrive at one simple conclusion. The market is moving and moving fast. But how do we know? Because of the level of noise. What we don't know is the direction, but stay with me for a moment and you will. Sadly, the trading pits are a thing of the past, but we now have something equally powerful to replace them, and it's called volume. Think of the noise and energy from our pit as the volume control on the market. Turn it up and the market moves fast. Turn it down and market momentum slows. This, in a nutshell, is volume. It's the fuel which drives it, and without which no market will move either higher or lower. Hi, my name is Anna Cooling, and you may have already come across me through my best-selling books on Amazon, and which, I'm proud to say, now have over 500 five-star reviews from traders of all levels of experience. And the overriding message from them is how volume analysis has transformed their trading. Many say it's their missing link, their eureka moment. Now, I consider myself extremely lucky, as my own trading journey started with volume analysis over 20 years ago. But I know many traders spend years searching for this missing piece of the trading puzzle. And you may be one of them. If so, your search is over. Since my early days of trading through the Liffey Futures Exchange in London, I've traded every market and instrument, and for the last decade have applied the same principles to the Forex market. And yes, you're absolutely right. There is no central exchange in the Forex market. So what volume do we use? And the answer is tick volume. You see, you can think of tick activity in the same way as our volume control on our trading pit. A tick is simply a change in price. The more tick activity, the greater the noise in the market. But it's when we combine volume with our price chart that the magic truly happens. And we have what I call volume price analysis, which is exactly as it sounds. By studying the price and volume relationship, we know three things instantly. First, whether the market is rising or falling. Second, the strength of this move. And third, and most important of all, where the market is heading next, which, if you think about it, is all we want to know as a trader. Using volume price analysis has been my foundation methodology since I first started, and I fervently hope it will become yours too. Because if you're trading without volume, you may as well trade with one of these. But there is a particular issue when trading Forex. Chart analysis alone is not enough, which is why many Forex traders struggle to succeed. And if this is you, don't worry, you're not alone. I struggled too, until I recognised I was trying to trade this complex market in one dimension. My eureka moment came when I realised the markets are connected by one thing, which is sentiment. And it makes sense once you start to think about it in this way. Money moves from one market to another for two reasons. Either to seek higher rewards for higher risk or lower risk for lower reward. It's what we call risk on or risk off, and it is this constant seesaw which creates the flow of money from one to another, and at the centre is the Forex market, which acts as the gateway. It is the axis around which all the others rotate. And to succeed, we need to approach this market in a unique and three-dimensional way, which embraces the technical, fundamental, and relational analysis. Now, the great news is you don't have to struggle as I did to make sense of this market, as I've put this all together in one powerful educational program, and one which also includes specific bespoke tools and indicators to help you trade the Forex market with confidence. So, if you want to become a volume ninja and take your first steps to Forex trading success, join me in my free webinar, and I'll share with you 5 important but easy to apply lessons which you can use immediately. And just for coming along, you'll also receive a free copy of my 90-page book called An Introduction to Forex Trading, which is not available elsewhere. I do hope you can join me in the workshop so you can begin to take those crucial first steps towards your own Forex trading success.